Good morning, guys. Another job here in Washington today on this lovely patio. Going to get rid of all this green today the customers requested. I think it's Indian stone, I'm not too sure. If anyone knows, leave in the comments. It's absolutely a beautiful home. I'm going to get all this up nice and clean. A lovely day for it. Missed the rain. I'm gonna come around here. Get all this little block pavement here. Get all this walkway. Get all this back to its original colour. We'll see how it comes up for the after, guys. We'll see you soon. Well, guys, we're finally finished on this beautiful Indian stone in Washington. Well, I think that's what it is anyway. It's come up absolutely beautiful. As you can see from the last video, it was in the right old state of green and grime. I've got rid of all that, as you can see. Oh, absolutely stunning. Back like the day it was laid. Back to its original colour. Nice and bright. Customer should be happy with this one. Another job well done here at FCS. For any queries, questions, free quotes on any pressure washing, new PVC cleaning, or any cleaning services, inbox or call us today. Thanks again for watching, guys. See you on the next one.